Welcome back to my channel, Dreams Ideal Realty. I'm your trusted real estate broker here in Zambales, Philippines. I'm Cindy Wong. Join me today as we check the model units here in HAUSLANDS. It's our grand launching today, so we're giving away hundreds of thousands of discount. So join me as we check. For the first time, honestly, I haven't checked these houses, so join me as we check the Sage and Cedar units. Come and join me. So from Cedar, we will go to Sage. Ito naman, yung mas malaking version. So dalawa lang yung, we only have two model houses here in HAUSLANDS SUBIC. The Sage and the Cedar. Improved and basic. If we say basic, there's no tiles and paints. Hi! Nandito na naman kayo.
We're here again.
Oy, mas gusto ko ang Sage. Mas malaki. For Miss Tin, she likes Cedar better, but for me, Sage. This is my first time, really. Kasi ang daming tao kanina, ang hirap makisingit. So, it's my first time to see him. Mas mas continuous yung flow niya. Mas maluwag. Ay, ang ganda ng couch! Pa-picture ako dyan, oh. Ayan. Ganda. Wow, ito yung favorite ko. Ang laki ng mirror. You know naman, ang mirrors ay part of the aesthetics of the house. It can make your house look bigger and brighter, of course. Tsaka ang lalaki ng, tanggalin ko na nga yung sombrero kung walang sombrero, init kasi sa labas. Ang lalaki ng ano nila, ng mga windows, big windows. Yan. And again, I like this one really. The sliding door. Kasi for me, if this house is mine, siguro I can put the dining area at the back dito, extension, so that I will have a lot of space for my living area. So we have bar counter. In reality, there's no bar counter, right?
Meron mo, for the improve.
For the improve, may bar counter talaga? Oh, that's good. So, mayroon na talagang bar counter daw. Hindi lang pang ano to, for the show. But, meron na daw talaga. Ganito rin ang kulay talaga?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Yan. So, of course, this is a model unit. The furnishings are not included. Ayan. Pero ito, kasama din. Ito.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Ang ganda. Sulit na sulit sa HAUSLANDS. At saka mura siya. How much ng Sage ngayon? Improve?
For improve, ma'am, it's 8.8 less 168,000.
8.8 less 160.
Ako.
1,000. If they will reserve today until
Until
the end of this month. Very good. So again, 2 steps and you will be in your powder room. Ganda. O, diba? Basta na interior design ng bahay. Ang ganda. And your first room. Toilet and bath. Your door here to the outside. So, labas na 2-car carport. 2? Parang magkakasya pa ang 3 dito ah. Malaki. Ayan yung cedar kanina where we came from. And then, at least meron nang nakaabang din oh. Nakataas na din. And this is your laundry area. Ito na yung likod mo. This is the back of cedar. I mean, sage unit. So, pwede mong gawing dining area dito. Extension. If you want to use it. And this is the boundary of the unit. Ang luwag pa oh. Kasi sage has 180 square meter lot. Yan. We're back. Umikot tayo. Yan. I'm back. Inikot ko yung labas. Ang init. Gusto ko yun. Umiikot pa siya. Yan na tayo. So, Sage has 4 bedrooms, 1 downstairs, and 3 upstairs, 3 bedrooms, and 3 toilet and bath. Ito yung cute din ng chandelier nila. So this is the first bedroom. Oh, this is the master bedroom already since we have this walk-in closet. Toilet and bath. Second bedroom. Lalaki ng mga rooms nila. Very good. Let's go to the third room. Ganda ng pagka-interior design nila. Third room with its own toilet and bath also. Yan. Very spacious, huh? 178.50 is the livable floor area. I mean the usable floor area of Sage. So makita natin. Yan. May program pa rin doon. Did you enjoy the tour? Ang ganda ng bahay. This is the newest subdivision here in Subic Town. So that's the end of our home tour here in HAUSLANDS SUBIC. Again, today is our grand launching, September 9, 2022. If you will reserve today until the end of this month, you will have 168,000 up to 168,000 pesos discount. Okay? So next time we will check the cedar house model, bare unit, or the basic unit as they say. Okay? So if you want to know more about HAUSLANDS or the introductory price, please give me a message. All my social media accounts are listed in the description box below. So guys, please like, subscribe, and share, and don't forget to reserve while we have corner lots and while we have in our intro price. So like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, bye!